I'm Earth. Yup, the planet you live on. Want to take a super fun trip through space? Let's zoom around my solar system. First stop, the sun. It's a big, hot ball of fire. Without it, I'd be freezing cold. So I like to stay nice and close to it. You do too. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it's super speedy. It zooms around in just 88 days. Wow, that's fast. Next up is Venus, my twin, but she's a little too hot. Her surface is hotter than an oven. And then there's me, Earth. I've got water, air, and all kinds of creatures, like you. Pretty awesome, right? And hey, don't forget Mars. He's the red one. People talk about going there, but it's super cold and dry. Not so great for a vacation. Now we're moving to the big planets. Jupiter is the biggest of them all. It's huge. You could fit over 1,000 Earths inside. And Saturn's got beautiful rings made of ice and rocks. Cool, huh? Next, we have Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants. They're way out there and really, really cold. And that's the solar system. All the planets, from the tiniest Mercury to the big, faraway Neptune. We're all spinning around the sun, each with our own story. I might be small, but I'm special. I'm the only planet with life. So, next time you look up at the stars, remember, I'm right here, spinning around with all my cosmic friends. Pretty cool, huh? Like and subscribe for more solar system adventures.